Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you want to find out how I went from this to this, check this out. I absolutely love this curling wand. This is from BESTOPE and it has everything that you need. It has a 1-inch barrel, a 0.35-inch barrel, and then the tapered barrel goes from 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and it also has 1 1/4 inch barrel. It comes with the glove and the clips that you need to hold up your hair. I really love the way that my hair turned out. It's a very beachy look, and it's perfect if you want to style it a little bit differently and you want to have some waves. This was my first time using this, and I am excited about the results and to continue using it in the future. So if you want to change things up in your hairstyles, I highly recommend this. I really had fun with it, and it was really easy to use. The barrels are super easy to interchange. You simply click it on and off, and you can go ahead and turn it to 1 or 2 with different heating types. And that's my point of view.